Hi guys, hope you are fine. Today we will get this effect in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are new into my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. So I'm deleting this. First go to rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Press shift key and fill stock color to 2. Then go to line segment tool and draw a line here. Then go to anchor point tool and drag it down. After then select direct selection tool, drag it down, and this handle drag it up. Then direct selection tool, select this, press shift key, select this and drag them down little bit, and then select all, shape builder tool, select a color and non the stock color. Now go to gradient color, give a gradient color to this one and give the gradient color to this one. Adjust the gradient color. Arrow up little bit side, group them, select all, go to effect, extrude and transform, select the transform and copy one, minus 90 degree, and drag it, put the value 500, little bit down, sorry, and that's okay. Now for copy and okay. Go to object, expand all, select all, group them, and now you can give alt and bring a copy. the effect is ready. So if you liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.